to fight crime.
And look fabulous doing it.
Oh, definitely. Dog, stop! Damn it!
Dude, away! No, go in, 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 go in. What's up? Go in, we'll throw a party. Go on, go, be right up. Done.
That was beautiful.
What are you doing here? Why aren't you? Fuck. Hand you one or?
Yeah, one at a time.
I only have one.
Oh, well, here you go. Take the other one. Alright, it is rolling so... Oh, nice. That is just so fantastically sexy. Oh, God!
I had to. I'm sorry. I have more balls than anyone here. No offense.
Not taken. I can't even kill a fucking spider. I'll be saying there's this really beautiful necklace that...
How do you want me to stand? Just like this?
Yeah, just kind of like, you just like look over at me like, oh. So, yeah, and then just kind of like casually look at me. You know, just like normal thing, kind of like when we were always having a conversation.
Well, we're always having conversations where that sort of thing. It's not like a normal conversation. Essence to Egberts. Ass butt. Wait. Duck ass hair.
Duck ass hair.
So pretend like we're having a normal conversation with a normal person. Got it. Dog, you're on my foot. Dog.
Stop! Baron!
Dog.
We only have an hour for the
Baron! Bed. Barrett.
Don't knock over that
Go on.
camera.
I said bed, Baron. Or are you gonna... You could take your socks off, you know.
Yeah, true. Oh my god.
Are you videotaping this?
Because it's bloopers, you know. I fucked everything up.
Baron, if only you could open yours!
Oh my god, this is cold! Oh my god, this is cold! Oh no!
I'm gonna wear my shoes, but I don't think you fit.
It's okay.
There's like puddles all
Oh god. It's cold.
You want my jacket?
I'm okay. I have a wig on. Oh man.
I really hope we're
Cold.
not out.
Cold. Oh my god, I hope we're not.
We don't have a working cell phone with us. We're so fucked.
We are so fucked, man. I am so sorry. I am very sorry.
You're fine.
Dog, don't you dare. I will...
Baron! Come on, B-Man. Let's go on an adventure! Come on.
He's going the other way.
Come on. You gotta come in here. Come on. No, come on. That's right. Come on. No, this way. Baron.
We good? We're good. Now we're just going to take a couple pictures. That's it. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god. I tried. Oh, I am loving that coat, girl.
My mom.
Girl, you look so fly.
Wigs, man. I can't even. It was down my, arm. No, it was down my arm. Oh,
Alright. I'm gonna run. I'm gonna box them for that trip.
Do you have
I tried.
Okay.
I tried. I really tried. Oh! Baron! Come here! No, dog! Stay!
Yo, Tufty butt!
Don't get your... Don't... Oh, my speedster. There we go. Go! No, go! Go! Stay!
All green lights, go, go, go! Bloopers!
Yes!
Okay.
Stay next to your master.
Stay here.
This is why I'm a
got
cat
you.
person. Perfecto. We got it.
God, after like 3 tries.
We did. I hope that got there because I'm not refilming that. I don't want you to film that either because we just did it.
Get me out of the way.
I know. I boobed you.
Irritating.
Grinch. I'm sorry.
That's you! It was like...
Oh, smack upside the head. That hurt you too hard. Oh,
You
no.
were fine, I was waiting for your line.
Oh. Anyway. I'm so unprofessional.
I gotta cover up the script. I have a purpose.
You have a purpose.
Oh wait, shit, you're filming.
It's okay.
Okay.
Bloopers, you know bloopers.
Mhm.
Okay, so.
Oh, I have a question. Why the fuck?
Ray,
You know what? I don't care.
Can we do it one more time? I'm sorry.
Okay, you skipped over a line.
See? Brain dead. Stupid.
Okay.
That's why the brains in this relationship.
I thought I was wearing the pants.
Brains and pants.
Hey, I have a question. Why do you want? Why? Fuck! God damn it! Okay.
Kristen, see that's not a person like you. God damn.
Minako.
Fuck. It's okay. You can go back and...
What word is that?
I'm sorry.
It's fine.
It's a fucking miracle I got through high school.
I screwed everything up with Minako. Nope. You are not mine. Nope. Nay. Careful, my yellow steed.
At least I hope.
Oh my god, I feel like such a... Do I hit the button? Baron! Tufty butt. You still got a tufty butt syndrome. Look at that. Look at that. It's tufty butt. That's all that is. That's all but a bunch of tufts. So look at that. Look at that on both sides. But look at that cute face. Look at that cute face. He's a wolf. He goes, "Arr, arr, arr." Anyway. Good shot.
Thank you. Welcome.
Good boy.
Are you freezing?
A little bit. Come on, Tufty butt.
Go on.
Oh God.
Stop. Okay.
Shit. Okay.
Baron, come on, inside. Here we go. Inside. Come on. Woo!
Wait.
Uh-oh. You know how earlier we were talking about in the scene where they argue about Lethal Weapon being a Christmas movie? Well, look what I found in my laptop.
Lethal Weapon?
I did.
Oh my God.
How fucking convenient is that?
Amazing. We need to watch that later. No exceptions. It's so awkward.
Let's get started before we let ourselves out again.
Be man. Later, sucker.
You knocked over the fucking... You knocked it over.
Did you do that?
No, I'm over here.
But I didn't knock it over.
It was
There
Tom.
was video evidence. Replay it. I would not be blamed for this. Ow, my back. Okay, but hey, Baron! Oh, the wig didn't come off. I am majestic as fuck. Yo, dude, I'm gonna go get the mail.
Okay.
So you can, like, stop recording for a sec. I'm gonna go get the mail.
Okay. You gotta love us. Very classy.
Shut up.
Do you want my socks?
No.
They're nice and warm.
I don't. Shh. I'm fine. I just need to warm my feet up for a sec because holy fuck, they're cold. Amazing what happens when you walk on a gravel driveway while it's raining outside.
Here you go.
I'm gonna go over there and over there.
Earthquake! Earthquake! Okay, I'm sorry.
Oh wait, can you hand me that present over there?
Doge.
Damn.
Damn it, Doge, you ruined everything! Damn it, Doge! No, he's a cutie. He couldn't hurt a fly. Hey, boob shot, anyway. So back over here, by the plant?
Yes.
Yeah, You asked me to be serious, but after a while it'll just cut off. My seriousness will end. Boob shot.
Giggle fart.
Boob shot. Okay, I'm done. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Alright, so after I get closer to you, do you take the camera or do I take the camera?
I take it and I put it here. Or
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
yeah, like that. And then that bitch face. Excuse you. Excuse you. Sorry.
Alright.
I know you're not sleeping. Damn it. Love you too. Hmm?
The great unveiling. Still attractive.